This is Tribute coming out of a fresh case. Guess the first auto for 10. Chrome to my dome. Corn on the cob. Father Chrome, ripping packs and buying singles at the Knicks game. You just gotta love it. Real quick, get your guesses in. About to show the first auto in the next pack following this relic of Mikey Trout for Barber. Nice start. 3-piece, 2 relics and a bat. It's number to 50. Our first auto is coming up. It is EM. EM. Eddie Murray? Eddie Murray. For the O's and Lucinda, a little Hall of Fame ink. Team color orange parallel, number to 25. Wow. I hope you enjoyed yourself, Hockler. The dad life. We got another relic. It's a duel of Miggy. For the Tigers and Lucinda again. Got bonus hits in this pack. Rafi Devers, Mookie Betts, purple of A-Rod. And an Ozzy Albies. Lucinda's getting it all right now. Auto number to 199. Need something for the killer. Uncle Paulie. Good, man. Sounds like a good time. Saw Wemby. We got a stamp of approval relic for the Stros and T-Wit of Jose Altuve. Off the back, number to 99, Luke Voigt. And the last auto of box 1, AG, Allen and Ginter, Alex Gordon. For James R. and the Royals, Alex Gold Glove Gordon. He's 19. He's only 19. Need to see something for New Age right here. The killer. Off the back, we have more numbered. Chipper Jones Gold, number to 50. Or 75. Triple rookie jerseys of Adley Rutschman. Lucinda. Save some for the others. I don't think so. I don't think anybody really does anymore. Any league. GMO. Who is this? Gabriel Moreno for the Blue Jays. Team color blue, number to 150. Hakeem the Dream. What's up, Phobia? Mad Max. Juan Soto. We have a relic and an auto in this one. For the Mets, Tommy Glavine. For New Age. And an auto. MG. Michael Grove. Michael Grove, number to 99 for the Dodgers. Both hits that pack go to New Age on the kill. Ohtani base, Wilson Contreras, AP, Andy Pettit. Andy Pettit.
They came in.
What's it?
These,
Oh, cool. All right.
I'll do a random team.
Yeah.
On top.
All right.
Okay.
Pettit for the Yanks. Lucinda.
Everything good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. They took one of them, so there should be two.
Okay. Yeah. It's solid. I did 10 boxes. Had a Griffey auto.
They did?
Ellie De La Cruz auto.
Nice.
Yeah, those are nice. Those are nice. We hit a couple of those. Freddie Freeman, Piazza, and J.D. Martinez. And the last pack is a rookie for the O's. I think we have a half chance here. The O's have a lot of guys in this. They have Gunnar and Adley, but they also have Stowers and D.L. Hall. And it is going to be D.L. Hall. D.L. Hall for Lucinda. Lucinda got like half the hits. Congrats, Lucinda. Pettit auto, Glavine relics, Moreno rookie auto, Adley rookie relics, Chipper gold, Alex Gordon, Ozzie Albies, Miggy, Eddie Murray, and Trout. Congrats to the hitters. Yeah, that was a tough kill.